everyone, it's Jade Bolden, and today I'm going to talk about doTERRA's April promotion for the USA and Canada. Can you believe it? It's April already. Okay, Easter's coming up. It's around the corner. Amazing. All right, guys, very first thing you want to know is that convention tickets are available to the doTERRA Global Convention. It's going to be September the 10th to September 13th. Okay, 3 whole days. But prior to that, there's a few other things that's happening, and then a few things are happening afterwards too. So you want to check the calendar and look at all the other events happening too. But the convention ticket is $169, all right? And you get education and science for 3 days. They'll have new product announcements. It's going to be like 30,000 people in 2 venues. So they're going to, do one and then have another thing 2 hours later, so that this is just beautiful the way they organize it. It doesn't feel like there's 30,000 people, but there really are. The link is above, so you go to that link and get your tickets as soon as you can, because tickets sell out within about 24 hours, so get in quickly. Alrighty, if you get a ticket and you change your mind, don't worry, because there's always a way that you can resell it to someone else, because there's always people that want to buy your convention tickets. It's very, very popular. But if you do go, you will never regret it. It's amazing. Every year I go, and I love it, and it's one of the highlights of my year. Alrighty, guys, so that's about convention. Now the Deep Blue 200 PV promotion is extended. Yay! Okay, Deep Blue Rub is amazing for your muscles, joints, and just anything that's sore, bruises. I have kids that are growing, so we rub the oils on the legs for growing pains. We have people in our family that work out, my husband mostly, so we use it pre and post workout, so that's fantastic. And both of these together is $87 roughly, free, if you order a 200 PV order before the 15th of April. Alrighty, so that's a pretty good deal. So you have to think a limit of 4 orders, 4 200 PV orders per account. Alright, so guys, Mother's Day is coming up. So doTERRA has this beautiful Mother's Day offer. So it's the Brevi Marble Diffuser and the Citrus Bloom Springtime Blend. So this is a 15 ml blend of wild orange, grapefruit, yum, okay, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia oil. So citrus oils and floral oils mixed together. I wonder how it smells. I'm excited for this. I'm gonna get this. Alrighty, so it's only $44 if you have a wholesale account. Okay, if you don't, talk to somebody who can help you with that. If you have nobody, you can talk to me. Okay, now this is the season that people have runny noses and itchy eyes, and then the histamine goes crazy, and then it ruins their day, right? It doesn't have to be that way. Okay, guys, we have the Breathe Touch Oil for free this month. So if you order on Loyalty Rewards, you get of over 125 PV, you get a free Breathe Touch. Okay, so that means the Breathe oil diluted perfectly, so that you can roll it on and you can use it on your whole family, from babies all the way up to the elderly. Okay, just apply it on your chest, smell it, apply it on your back, on the bottom of your feet, rub it on in your hands, inhale it. Okay, it helps open airways, it helps cleanse the body from the inside, and it helps you manage that environmental seasonal threat that you might experience every year at this time. Okay, now let's do the math a little bit. If you do a 200 PV order before the 15th of the month, you will get both the Deep Blue Rub and Deep Blue Oil plus the diluted Breathe, which is the Breathe Touch. Okay, so Breathe Touch and Deep Blue Rub, Deep Blue Oil, all for $105. Okay, $105 for free. Okay, so you're ordering 200 PV and you're getting $105 of products for free. That's pretty good. I love how doTERRA is so generous, and they reward people who are loyal. So you know what? This is awesome, right? Okay, so to help you with this season, we have the Try Ease. So doTERRA has discounted the Try Ease. It's 10% off. They're soft gels of lavender, peppermint, and lemon blend. So take a look at that, okay? and you can take 1 to 2 as needed. I would take it in the morning, about 2 in the morning, if you know that this is the season where your eyes get itchy and your nose starts running, and then the histamines go crazy, and then it ruins your day. I would take it 2 in the morning. Okay, it's just going to help you cleanse, helps you manage your responses, okay, to the environment, to the season. Alrighty, so that's awesome. Keep it on hand. Okay, more things. Okay, we have the ginger digestive drops. It's ginger and lemon oil. It's delicious. Okay, so that is for $12, okay, wholesale, if you have the wholesale account. So these are the new products that's available to purchase now. And you have a new formula for the Citrus Bliss bar. Okay, so it just makes it so that the soap, it's not really soap, it's a cleansing bar, keeps its shape longer, so it lasts longer. It's only $6.75 for a single. If you buy a pack of 3, it's $14.50. Pretty cool. But wait, there's more. All the yoga blends are sold separately now. Woo! I'm so glad, because I use this Arise so much that I don't think I have anything left hardly in here. So they have a line is $17, Anchor is $20, and Arise is $19. Okay, so all those can be purchased separately now, which is fantastic. I use it more than just for yoga, okay? And then this is my Balance deodorant. This is how big it is, okay? But they have a new deodorant stick, and it's the Douglas Fir and Greek Orange formula. Oh, that's incredible. It smells, it's probably like Citrus Bliss. So I'm excited about that too. I love my Balance one, but I'm going to try this one too. Oh, it's so exciting. Okay, guys, so that is all of the USA doTERRA promotions for this month. I hope you have a wonderful month. If you have any questions and comments, please comment below. Share this video with your friends and family who have doTERRA accounts so they know the specials. And I hope you have a wonderful Easter, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.